April is U.S.-India Forward for the Planet Month. Climate change is the most critical issue that faces our planet and our people, and both of our countries are ambitiously combating climate change. We want to see and help India achieve its goal of having 500 gigawatts of installed non-fossil fuel capacity by 2030, and we're partnering together to make that happen. This partnership includes a catalytic $500 million investment from the Development Finance Corporation to India's National Investment and Infrastructure Fund, which includes a matching $500 million from the Government of India. Last year, President Biden and Prime Minister Modi announced plans to cooperate on rolling out 10,000 new e-buses here in India. And at COP28, the Government of India and the State Department's Partnership for Global Infrastructure and Investment built upon those plans, announcing a payment security mechanism, or PSM, that includes contributions from both India and the U.S. government and its partners. I was lucky enough to ride one of the first e-buses that the U.S. government helped provide to New Delhi. But you don't need millions of dollars to make a difference. Everybody can be a leader in protecting our environment. We often practice reducing, reusing, recycling, or these days, upcycling our used products. And for our part, the Embassy community's everyday actions include an Embassy recycling and composting program. The Embassy is regularly recycling, sorting plastics, glass, and food waste to help reduce the impact of single-use plastics and glass and to utilize food waste in a clean and green way. The Embassy is also using new electric vehicles and scooters and is harnessing the sun to help reduce our carbon footprint. And through an Embassy bike share and shuttle program, we are reducing our carbon footprint while helping our staff move efficiently around our campuses in a green way. So let's move forward together to save our planet.